Sorry Sam, video na naman ang napindot ko.
There's Ate Mai.
I am here at the Baydako, or what's left of it. At to help me out, kita niyo picture ni Daddy. Hindi lang picture niya ang nandito, but picture pati ng ibang nuno natin. Ang sisters pa sa amin.
Ancestors.
So, kung malabo ang video, you know who's taking it. Self.
Guilty.
And then, I want to show the other pictures. So, ito si Daddy. Ito si Lolo Amon. He used to be a colonel. Lola Filomena and Lolo Amon. Sa taas, hindi na namin sila kamag-anak. Last supper yun. Over here,
Time pa i-post. Go.
and then here naman is Mons. At this point, I would like to call ang pinakamatandang apo sa pamilya natin. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Ray Dodong Pesos. Come on.
Yes.
This is Dodong.
Hello.
Ng lahat, and as you can see, sobrang gwapo pa rin. At
Yoo-hoo!
siyang namamahala dito sa baita ko. Totoy and Auntie Fe are here. Saan si Auntie Totoy? Kunyari documentary.
Okay pa.
Okay. O hanggang dito na lang kasi naingit na si Rafael. Hindi siya kasama sa video na ito.
Mismo.
Sorry, Rap. Tuloy pa rin. Artifacts. I think this used to be Monsignor's wheelchair. Okay. Ito yung sala. Once upon a time, ang laki-laki ng place na to. Promise. At what's left of the long table. The floor is honest to goodness. Very, very good wood. And of course, this video will not be complete pag walang picture ni Auntie Fe and Uncle Totoy. And, oh, with Gani. And who is that? Martin. Anak ni Sammy. Oh, here's Franco. Woo! Yan. Gan, smile ka. Nakikita ka ni Ate Abebek mo. Hi, Beck. Love you.